What's a knock and talk? Well, that's when the police knock on the door and then they just talk to you. But here's the thing, it's not your conversation that they're looking for. It's your consent to search. So when do the police do a knock and talk? Well, typically it's when they don't have enough probable cause to get a warrant to search your house, or they have enough probable cause but don't want to go through the steps necessary to get that warrant because it would be easier to just get your consent. But if we're talking about consent to search a home, we have to talk about what that really means. So consent must be freely and voluntarily given without threat or misrepresentation. And so the courts have said over and over and over, the state has the burden of proving that consent was voluntarily given. And we've added some extra layers of protection for people. And so the court in Holmes versus State suggested, it does not require, but it suggests that if you're going to get consent to search a home, you should do so in writing. And in a case called State versus Brown, they said you have to tell people that consent is not required. They have the right to refuse the search. Now, that is a deviation from federal law because federal law does not require the police to tell someone that they don't have to consent. But in Arkansas, that is a requirement, and the police must tell people that they don't have to consent, and it's best if that's done in writing.